Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a deep dive into Litecoin, or Cust, and analyzing the current news and the chart data to figure out what to watch for in this volatile market. Litecoin is experiencing a lot of hype right now as it nears its third halving event, a programmed 50% reduction in the pace of new issuance. This is expected to happen on Wednesday, and it's a significant event that could have a major impact on Litecoin's price. The market is already reacting to the upcoming halving, with Litecoin's price surging in recent days, but is it a sustainable rally or a short-term pump? Let's look at the charts to see if we can get a better understanding of what's going on and where Litecoin might be headed. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that Litecoin has been on a bit of a tear lately, especially in the past month or so. The price has risen significantly, breaking through several resistance levels, and is now trading at its highest point in several months. There's a clear upward trend, but the volume hasn't been as impressive, which could suggest that this rally might be fueled by hype rather than strong buying pressure. We need to keep an eye on the volume to see if it can sustain this price action. Looking closer at the daily chart, there are some interesting key levels to watch. The first one is around $65, which acted as resistance in the past but has now been broken, potentially acting as support going forward. The next one is around $75, which also acted as resistance in the past but was recently broken. The final one is around $85, a more significant resistance level, and whether Litecoin breaks through it will give us more clues about the strength of this rally. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see if we can find some more clues about the short-term direction of Litecoin. The 1-hour chart shows that Litecoin has been consolidating around $80, with some small fluctuations and retracements. This suggests that the market is still trying to decide whether to continue the rally or pull back. The recent rally has been impressive, but a pullback wouldn't be surprising given the lack of volume. There are some key levels to watch on the 1-hour chart as well. The first one is around $78, which acted as support in the past, but was recently broken. The next one is around $82, which acted as resistance in the past, and if Litecoin breaks through it, it could continue the rally towards $85. Finally, we have the 15-minute chart, which can give us a clearer picture of the very short-term action. Here we can see that Litecoin has been trading sideways for the past few hours, with some small fluctuations. The volume has been relatively low, which indicates that there's not a lot of momentum in either direction. This could mean that the price is likely to consolidate for a bit before making a significant move. The 15-minute chart is showing signs of consolidation and indecision, which is common before a big move. To summarize, the news surrounding Litecoin is currently very bullish, with the upcoming halving event expected to be a major catalyst for price action. However, the technical analysis is a little more mixed. On the daily chart, we see a clear upward trend, but the volume hasn't been very strong, which could suggest that this rally might be fueled by hype rather than strong buying pressure. The 1-hour chart shows that Litecoin has been consolidating around $80, which suggests that the market is still trying to decide whether to continue the rally or pull back. The 15-minute chart is showing signs of consolidation and indecision, which is common before a big move. Key levels to watch are $65, $75, and $85 on the daily chart, and $78 and $82 on the 1-hour chart. Whether Litecoin breaks through these levels will give us more clues about the strength of this rally and the direction it may take in the future. We need to keep an eye on the volume to see if it can sustain the price action. If the volume picks up and Litecoin breaks through the resistance levels, it could continue to rally, potentially even reaching $100. However, if the volume stays low or drops and the price pulls back, it could mean that the rally was just a short-term pump and that the price might return to its previous support levels. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and prices can move quickly and unexpectedly. The upcoming halving event could be a significant catalyst for price action, but it's not guaranteed to push the price up. It's important to do your own research and make your own trading decisions based on the information you have available. Remember to manage your risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Good luck and happy trading!